Estancia was originally a ranch for a wealthy Spaniard named Rodrigo who married a local woman. Estancia is known around the country as a center for commercial fishing, so much so that it shares to carries the name Alaska of the Philippines. In the year 1918, Governor Jose Yolo signed the formal separation of Estancia from Dalasan, thus becoming a separate municipality. Estancia is not known for its agricultural products nor livestock, but rather for its location as it is adjacent to Carles' impressive marine resources. Its name came from the Spanish word estancia or ranch because it was a part of the wide ranch of Don Felipe Aguilar. Antonio Sams, the first president of Estancia, the inhabitants agitated for separation from Balasan through an organization called Pahilis USA, led by Venancio Codela and Antonio Sams. Babas gave up his life at a tender age because of a freak accident 40 years ago. January 24, 1971, he was 12 years old and a grade 5 pupil. He saved 7 persons before he died with 8 others, mostly youth. On January 24, 1971, in an accident at Estancia Port, 170 kilometers northeast of here. They were killed after a ship smashed the side of the pier, causing a warehouse to collapse. Mary Lynn, or Chick Mosquita, mayor of Estancia, Iloilo, she takes care of the beauty of the towns today. Status as a municipality. Estancia is a second-class municipality in the province of Iloilo, Philippines. Estancia covers an area of approximately 29.38 kilometers to 11.34 square miles. Located in the northern part of Iloilo province, Estancia is situated on the northeastern coast of Panay Island. It is bordered by the municipalities of Balasan to the west, Batad to the south, and the Visayan Sea to the north and east. Estancia's topography is characterized by a coastal plains, rolling hills, and low-lying areas. The coastal areas is primarily sandy beaches and rocky shores, while the inland areas feature a mix of agricultural land and residential zones. Flora. The vegetation in Estancia includes coastal mangroves, coconut trees, and various agricultural crops such as rice, corn, and vegetables. Fauna. The municipality supports diverse marine life, including various species of fish, shellfish, and crustaceans due to its coastal location. According to the 2020 census, it has population of 53,200 people. Estancia is politically subdivided into 25 barangays. Each barangay consists of puroks and some have sitios. The population predominantly composed of ethnic Hiligay non-speaking people. Estancia is famously known as the Alaska of the Philippines due to its rich fishing ground. The town proper hosts various commercial establishments including markets, retail stores, service providers, and the agriculture is the important economic source of living. Fishing has become an important of Estancia's part tourist industry. Every year, the people of Estancia gathered to participate in the Panagat Festival, a fitting tribute to the fishermen of the municipality. Here's the tourist attraction that you may feel peace and comfortable. Las Islas de Gigantes, Paon Beach. Estancia uniqueness among Iloilo municipalities defined by its prominent fishing industry, strategic coastal location, scenic islands, fish, cultural events, economic diversification, robust infrastructure, and historical significance.